Welcome back to all. Today's video is on how we can help our children of 5 to 7 years work on the mirror images of numbers. So let's start. Here I have taken a full bowl of rice. Next, I have taken a plate where I will spread the rice. I take the rice and spread on the plate as shown here. You may ask your child to do it, and believe me parents, they will really enjoy doing this activity. For demonstration, I have taken the number 3, 5 and 7, which are commonly written as mirror images by our children. Let your child observe the number 3 and with the help of the index finger, ask him or her to trace it as shown here. Now, I take the number 5 and repeat the steps. Parents, believe me, correct formation is very important not only in pre-primary level but also in lower elementary. I am also showing the same steps for the number 7 here. We now move to an abstract level where we allow the child to write the numbers. Give them the freedom to build their own numbers using the same digits. This will help him or her to register the formation in the minds.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fly. Now I don't know.
Parents, you can also do it for the letters of the alphabet if your child is facing problem in making the correct formation. You may repeat this activity after a few days. If you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and share with many more parents. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.